Hello everyone. I hope you are having great day. It's Ravi Manukuru and welcome to our channel. Today we will learn how to create menus in a WordPress. But before going to our subject, if you are a new visitor to our channel, please do subscribe. Let's get into our subject. If you wanted to create a new menu or you wanted to edit the existing menu in a WordPress, you need to navigate to your dashboard, appearance, menus. See, you have already three menus created in your dashboard. Let's say you wanted to create a new menu section in your dashboard. You can you can click on this button called create a new menu. Let's go to my theme front end first. You can find that, see, here is my main primary menu area, and this is the other second menu area. You can place other menu here, third menu, and in the footer you have some one more menu, right? That means this theme provider, I didn't created this theme. I have downloaded this free theme from WordPress.org. It's a free theme. You can download it from online, right? So by this theme provider, the four menu areas has been developed in a backend. Okay, that's why we can see that in a menu section you have a top, primary, social menu, this kind of sections. So we can use these sections to place our menus. Let's go and create one menu for top section. Create Click on create a new menu button. Once you click on that button, you can see that the menu name in a input field. Now I wanted to add top menu. Okay, let's give some name for your reference and click on create menu button. Once you click on that button, you can see that you will have a same options which we have in other menus also. These three options are placeholders for your menu. Let's say, for example, I wanted to place this top menu in a top section. That means you need to select this placeholder. Once you select that placeholder, you can add your pages. Let's say about, blog, and contact, and about us. I want these four pages in the top section. Just click on add to menu button. Once you click on that button, that four links will be get added into your top menus area. From here, see, you have two about pages. So let's delete one. You can navigate, or you can modify the order of menus by dragging and dropping your items. Once you are okay with the menu order, you can click on save menu button. Once you click on the save menu button, you can see the preview in a front end that our three menu navigation links has been added in a top section, right? It's that much easier to create a menus. The thing is, let's go to other menu. For example, primary menu, header menu area. That means this section. If you wanted to create a drop down links, you just need to drag this menus as a sub menus. That means this lifestyle menu is a sub menu of about us page. Got it? In the same manner, you can drag and drop any menus into any menus as a sub menus, right? The main option is, let's say for example I wanted to create one more button in a top section with the link to a Google page or Amazon page. Okay, in the top menu I wanted to add one custom menu, right? So you can click on the custom option. You can give, for example, google.com. Okay, the text name, the link text is Google. You can click on add to menu option. See, you have a Google button, but the problem is uh, when you click on the internet pages, it will open in a same tab, right? In the same manner, when you click on Google also, it will open in the same tab. But I wanted to open this menu in a different tab, in a new tab. Then you need to add a target blank, right? But as you can see that there is a new target blank for the menus. To add a blank or some other options, you can go to screen options. You can select link target or title attribute, CSS class, the link relationships and descriptions. You can add all these options. Okay, see, now you can see that title attribute and open this link in a new tab or CSS class or description. I am adding this title attribute. Go to Google website. Okay, open this link in a new tab because it is not our website. So we wanted to go to the new tab with this provided link, right? So now you can add this checkbox, add link in a new tab. Once you click on the save button, go to refresh your web page. Now once you hover your mouse into that button, you can see that go to Google website. That is the title attribute. Once you click on that button, it will open the Google page in a different tab, right? So now we have a Google page with a different tab. So this is how you can create a menus and you can manage menus, right? So I hope you have learned some information in this video. If you like this information, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.